How to improve your resume with the free version of ChatGPT. Most resumes fail in the first 10 seconds, not because the candidate is unqualified, but because the resume answers a question nobody asked. In this video, I will show you how to fix yours with the free version of ChatGPT with 7 prompts. 7 prompts you can copy word for word. No paid subscription, no plugins, nothing to install. By the end, you will have a resume that responds to what employers evaluate exactly. Here's the setup. 3 things before your first prompt. 1. Go to chatgpt.com and sign in. A free account. It's enough for everything in this video, but you'll have to sign in, yet it is free. The free tier has daily usage caps. So if you get cut off, finish the chain tomorrow in the same conversation. 2, get your resume into plain text. So open it, select it, copy. You will be pasting what you just copied into the chat. Before you paste, strip your phone number, your address, and basically anything that is personally identifiable, because ChatGPT does not need them, and you should not paste contact details into any AI tool. Another way to prevent from accidentally sharing anything, if you want extra caution, open settings, then data controls, and turn off the option that lets your chat train the model, right? Okay. So 3, run all 7 prompts in one single conversation, in order. Each prompt will build on the answers before it, so do not open a fresh chat halfway through. Here's your prompt number 1. You prompt that and you paste your resume. The phrase "do not rewrite anything yet" is very important. It matters here, because if you skip it, ChatGPT jumps straight to a rewrite based on nothing, whatever it thinks. You want the diagnosis on the table first. Read the audit fully before moving on. If any point surprises you at this stage, ask a follow-up before you're prompting number 2. Prompt 2 is decode the job description. Your resume is an answer, and the job description is a question, right? Most people skim the job description once and start writing. Not a good move. Job descriptions are part requirements, part wish list, and part internal politics, and they never tell you which is which. Full disclosure, decoding job descriptions is my actual product, the Job Signal Report at b2bmarketcraft.com. It reads a job description across 10 plus signals and tells you what the employer evaluates and how to respond. This prompt that I'm giving you today gives you the quick version with ChatGPT, and today I'm sharing this prompt that is the core of my product with you for free. Moving on to the prompt. You paste the job description. Point 3 is the one that 99% of people never think about. Every open role exists because something is broken, missing, or growing. Think about it. Broken, missing, or growing. So if your resume speaks to that problem, you stop being a list of skills and you start being the fix to the problem. You become their answer to their problem that they're looking for. So here's your prompt number 3, match and gap. Do not invent anything I did not do. That's important. Do not invent anything is not optional here, because ChatGPT will happily gift you experiences you never had. You will also collapse publicly should you make it to the interview when they ask you about this great experience that you don't have, but it is on your resume. Reframing is fair, fabricating is not. Okay, prompt 4. Rewrite the bullets. This point is the natural time to have the rewrite, not before. Pick your 5 to 8 weakest bullets. The audit already told you which ones. Put them in The formula: accomplished X measured by Y by doing Z. Numbers beat adjectives every time. And the prompt is rewrite the following resume bullets. Remember, 5 to 8. Keep every bullet under 20 words. Maybe even make your limit a little shorter, 15 words. So now you give the prompt, you paste your bullets. When it asks you for numbers, answer from memory or estimate honestly. Don't overcomplicate things. Team size, budget, time saved, volume handled, growth percentage, dollars gained. An estimate you can defend beats a blank. Prompt number 5, summary and headline. Here's the prompt. And banned words are passionate, results-driven, dynamic, seasoned, motivated, synergy, proven track record, and any banned words in here that you personally don't like putting on your resumes or ever seeing anywhere. Now you pick one out of those 3 or splice a couple, and the banned word list exists because every third resume on the recruiter's desk says passionate, results-driven. Those words no longer make an impact. They mostly read as a noise. Avoid them. Prompt number 6, the keyword pass. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, still do exact phrase matching. Think about it, exact phrase matching, more often than they should. If the job description says email marketing automation and you wrote automated email campaigns, a lazy filter, least sophisticated ATS can actually miss you. So you are going to task ChatGPT with fixing that. Mirror the job description's wording whenever it's truthful. Show me where in the resume each change goes. And your prompt number 7, the final one, output a numbered fix list, not a rewrite. So at this point, ChatGPT is still working on this together with you. Fix it, not rewrite it. Because at this stage, you still want control. And in fact, you always want control. You don't want to sign away resume rebuild to the AI. You apply each of those fixes yourself in your document. You'll catch things that ChatGPT kind of introduced without asking you. You will know your resume well, and that pays off in an interview. So, the logic one more time. Audit, decode the job description, match and gap, rewrite the bullets, summary, keywords, final proof. 7 prompts, 1 conversation, free tier, a little bit of your time. And 2 closing notes. Remember that the free version caps your daily messages. So if you run out of tokens mid-chain, just come back to the same conversation tomorrow. It keeps the context. Second, if you want the deep version of step 2, the job signals report at b2bmarketcrowd.com decodes any job description across 10 plus signals and shows you what the employer evaluates before you write a single bullet. Link in the description. And all 7 prompts are in the description and in one copy-ready block on the post linked below. Subscribe for more practical AI, workflows, tools, and developments like this one.